ZANU-PF is reportedly on high alert following increasing calls from various groups for mass protest aimed at forcing President Mnangagwa to resign. As the end of the month approaches, the ruling party has heightened its vigilance and issued stern warnings to anyone threatening national stability. Sanapinda mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa maZANU-PF heavyweights panguva ino vakutotadza kuvata nekuda kwema-anti Mnangagwa protest akaplaniwa this month end. Sanapinda mashoko atikuona kuti madays ari kuita kufamba ari kukavira and people they are mobilizing maposter nemabanners nemaflyers ari kudesigniwa vanhu vachiti handei tinovafosa kuti varove pasi. Sanapinda mashoko kudanirwa panapa subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Chimina Zimbabwe inotirambira chiti ZANU-PF Director of Information and Publicity Fare Marapira confirmed the party said preparedness in the face of this protest. It quotes, "We are closely monitoring the situation and I assure the nation that I will not tolerate my efforts to undermine peace and stability in our country," Marapira stated. The planned protests, which are set for March 31, are allegedly being led by certain factions within the war veterans community, including figures like Blessed Geza, who has openly criticized Mnangagwa's leadership. Geza and other disgruntled voices claim that Mnangagwa has failed. The nation should step down immediately. A key figure believed to be orchestrating the demonstrations is Jeremiah Masawi, a controversial online personality known as Comrade Nyoka Mabunu. Nyoka Mabunu has called for a final push on social media, urging his followers to take to the streets on the 31st of March to demand the president's resignation. Tomashoko atirikuona panapa aiwa the regime panapa iri kutya and now tonaona Marapira vaiva vachikomenda pamusoro preparations emaprotest vachiti aiwa isusu hatiregeri vanhu vanoda kudestabilize our country kana vanoda kukonzeresa panapa vachiti aiwa we are prepared aiwa to act on you kubatai apina zvavanoda kuita nemacitizens vada kuprotesta. Toze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Wabvina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.